Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about post-workout recovery and stretching routines. Recovery is an important part of any fitness routine, and stretching can help prevent injuries and improve flexibility. So, let's dive into it. Post-workout recovery. After a workout, your body needs time to recover. Here are some things you can do to help your body recover faster. Hydrate. Drink plenty of water to replace the fluids you lost during your workout. Refuel. Eat a meal or snack with carbohydrates and protein to help replenish your energy and repair muscle tissue. Rest. Get enough sleep to allow your body to recover and repair itself. Ice. If you have sore muscles, use ice or a cold pack to reduce inflammation. Stretching routines. Stretching can help prevent injuries and improve flexibility. Here are some stretching routines you can do after your workout. Hamstring stretch. Sit on the floor with your legs straight out in front of you. Reach forward and touch your toes. Hold for 30 seconds. Quad stretch. Stand on one leg and bring your other foot up behind you. Hold onto your ankle and pull your foot towards your buttocks. Hold for 30 seconds and switch legs. Shoulder stretch. Clasp your hands behind your back and lift your arms up towards the ceiling. Hold for 30 seconds. Chest stretch. Stand in a doorway and place your arms on either side of the frame. Lean forward until you feel a stretch in your chest. Hold for 30 seconds. So, there you have it, some tips on post-workout recovery and stretching routines. Remember, recovery is just as important as the workout itself. Take the time to stretch and allow your body to recover, so you can continue to progress in your fitness journey. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.